Today is the 26th of October 2022. We have Rakentajantie Pitäjänmäki modernized C. The last decade in this residential building. We're going to film this from the last one to the first one. It was built in 1980. It turned 40 years old in 2020. Will be inspected in the next year, 2023, and the senior British 44203. It's here in Pitäjänmäki, Sukkimakka, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Finland, and it deserves 2 rights. But no memory. In the residential building where they added this in the smart elevators in the beginning of 2005, maybe if they had built elevators there originally, they would have been well much thinner from 1980.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift installed and maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of the staircases here.
That's